The popular computer maker Dell has introduced its new car screen monitor with a 34-inch display, and the same is coming with fish screen design as well. So without making any further delay, let's get into the article to check out the complete details of the latest monitor. The PC maker Dell has launched a 34-inch curved monitor with a fish screen. The model comes with the model number S3423DWC and is presently on sale in China. Dell S3423DWC curved screen monitor packs a 34-inch VA panel with a resolution of 3440 by 1440 pixels, 1800R curvature, and a screen aspect ratio of 21:9. It also supports a 100Hz high refresh rate, and the response time is only 4 milliseconds. It equally supports AMD FreeSync technology. In terms of games, although this monitor can't compare with professional-grade gaming monitors, it still has a large comprehensive advantage as a result of its curved surface and fish screen. The fish screen design makes it possible to open multiple windows at the same time for easy switching and viewing, especially when editing, filming, programming, statistical analysis, stock viewing, multi-opening, etc. It allows for a comfortable viewing angle experience compared to dual-screen docking. In terms of color, the S3423DWC monitor supports 99% sRGB, 90% DCI-P3 color gamut, up to 300 nits brightness, a contrast ratio of 3000 by 1, 16.7 million color display, and a 178-degree viewing angle. It is also featuring 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 1 USB Type-C port, and 3 USB 3.0 ports, and the device also features a 65-watt external power supply. The device also features 2 5-watt speakers, and supports PBP or PIP picture-in-picture mode. In other respects, the new Dell monitor also supports hardware anti-blue light, as well as DC dimming. The monitor utilizes a 3-sided narrow border design, and packs a built-in power adapter. Dell is also offering a 3-year free door-to-door repair service and more. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and leave a short comment. I will be grateful to you. See you soon.